back for another video. So this is part 3 of my SXC Cosmetics products review. This video is going to be super quick. I do apologize. I should have just added it on, but whatever. Let's just get into this unboxing. So this is what it looks like on the inside. So here is your manual, your instruction manual. It gives you tips and tricks and all that fun stuff. And then it comes with these tips. I'll give you a better look in a second, I'm sorry. These are, like, I would say large coffin. They're not that long. And the sizes are the same. They range from 0 to 11. And I do try the 0, which barely fits my, I mean not barely, but it is a little bit big for my thumb. I do have wider thumbs. These are the same as the nails I showed in my part 2 video. These are just shorter. The other ones were an XXL, these are an XL. And then it comes with this 8-watt lamp. The cord does come included. The light stays on for 60 seconds. The only way to turn it off, if you wanted to turn it off sooner, was just to unplug it. And it does come with the user manual as well. And then it comes with an 8 ml bottle of the glue gel. So this is a good starter kit, you know, if you wanted just to pop on the nails. So this, I do recommend getting this kit. And then here is the second one. Now it's the same as the first one, the one I just showed you. The only difference is it comes with nail clippers and a 180 grit file. I don't open it too well. I mean, I do show you what's in it, but I don't take anything out because I'm going to use this as an upcoming giveaway prize. So like I said, it's pretty much the same thing as the one I just showed you. It just comes with some nail essential tools. So these are the 2XL full covered coffin tips that I showed in my part 2 video. So I mean, it comes with the clippers so that you can clip the nails down if you wanted to, and it comes with the lamp and the glue gel as well. But like I said, I'm going to use this as a giveaway. The packaging is so cute, that unicorn, oh my goodness. So moving on, they did send another lamp. I couldn't get it out anyways, but it's the same as the other ones. And I'm going to use that for another giveaway. And then they did send me this. It's a 2-pack of the 15 ml bottle of glue gel. I don't know if I'm going to keep this or give it in a giveaway, but because I love this stuff. I love this because you can use it as like a base gel to adhere the nails on, to use it as, you know, like to glue rhinestones on, a base coat. Like you could use some, you know, this could be used for so many different things. So I might just give away a bottle and keep one for myself. I don't know, but it came with 2 of these as well. I love this base gel. I do recommend the 2 smaller kits as well, you know, to get you started. And it comes with a lamp, so, you know, it's really convenient. But we'll have a bonus video later this week as well, you guys. But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. I will see you guys Thursday. Have a great day. Bye, guys.